I made it to Home Depot. I need to get a security outdoor knob. I don't think they make such a thing, and they call it a hall bathroom door knob. Got what I came here for, my lock. And I'm opening up my lock for my, I got my door. So off I go. Yes, sir.
Good place to park. When you see me in the morning, you need to park your bike and lock it up here. You didn't tell me, and I'll watch it for you. No, people rob over here. You have no idea.
Yeah.
So
I gotta be
watching this here.
When I was a kid.
Well, when you were a kid, so was I.
When I was a kid, went to the store, turned around, my bike was gone because I left it out unlocked.
Anyway, I'll watch it for you.
You got it, Chief.
Okay.
You have a good week now. Stay dry.
I'll try.
Oh yeah, I got VIP privileges now, baby. I get to be watched by a bicycle. Oh, you got it. So off we go. Got my lock, got my doorknob, that is. And hopefully it'd be the right one to put on, because no way in hell did they have a security outdoor doorknob. Man, this is a wet shortcut. I'm beating the bus out. Woo! Man, I smell like paper burning. I hear the buses going. And the sun is up in the distance. We're taking a shortcut home, like I said. Do a little zig, little zag. We'll be there. Look at that sun just rising. Catching it at the right moment. 4K 60 frames per second, because the sun's rising. It tells me it's the perfect time and all. Yeah. I always go behind cars, never in front of them, because they're gonna not stop and just keep going. She stopped. Oh yeah, baby. I'm almost there. My time is about up. I still got my doorknob on the back of the bike. I've made it where I need to be at. Oh, what a ride it was. What a ride it was. What a ride it was. You got it. So on that note, I'm putting you away for another day. And it's going to be a rainy day. I hope you had fun watching the video. 4K 60 on the very end, when I said I'm changing to 4K 60. Not the whole video. On that note, whatever the render did, enjoy the clip. Have a great day. I'm Fish. See you on many videos to come.